Professor HT, you know, the reason I'm in this seat is a lot of the HT recliners, pretty much any brand, when you've got a recline back, you've got a little bit of a rub with the leather in the side of the chair, inside of the chair. We've come up with an ingenious solution. You know when you used to go skiing, you used to wax your skis with wax, paraffin wax? Well, we figured out that the wax will not leave residue on the seat that much, but will pretty much take away the noise on the seat. So I've got my handy wax. Used to put them on the skis, go, I don't know, 100 miles, 200 miles an hour. Not an exaggeration. So I'm going to basically take this and start kind of rub in between. Trying to get in the back. And it's not like an oil or anything, so can't hurt any of the seat. There's no chemicals really, it's natural, it's wax. Hold on, it's probably easier to start moving it. I'm just going to flip it over like this. It's kind of... You can take a knife and kind of peel it in there too. Shimmy it in there kind of like that. And it's right along this end. I turn the lights out a little. Could use the lights actually. Let's try that now. I hear it right up here. It's kind of like a trial and error thing. Okay. You can take a knife and maybe easier just to peel it a little smaller. It's kind of thick. Get in there, tight. And the reason it's snug, I'm gonna kind of go on there. All right, let's try that. Sounding better already. If you get it on the seat, just rub it off. Oh, I don't hear anything now. Huh? Hold on. I hear it a little bit in the back. Right in that area. And in there. Wax on, wax off, they always say. I don't know, that was in the Karate Kid. Great movie. Wax on, wax off. Maybe that wasn't Karate Kid, that was Paint the Fence. I don't know what it was. I'm really quiet now. I don't hear anything. I just hear the recline back. That's just that area. Hold on, in between I hear a little bit. And back here a little bit. Right in there. We're getting there. Okay, try that. Voila, waxy boy. Here we go. I always keep it in my wallet. No, I don't. Parrafin wax. Very good for the seats. HT Design, htmarket.com, Professor Wax. Professor HT Theater.